In the pages of history, there exist compelling hints that ancient civilizations may have possessed advanced technologies, far beyond what we conventionally credit them for. Their incredible accomplishments in engineering, architecture, and other domains raise tantalizing questions about the source of their knowledge. One such enigma lies in the construction of the Pyramids of Giza. The precise alignment, the mammoth stones, and the mathematical precision used in their design defy explanation with simple tools. Some suggest the use of advanced mathematical knowledge or even extraterrestrial aid to achieve such architectural marvels. Similarly, the Antikythera mechanism discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece is an ancient astronomical calculator that dates back to 100 BC. Its intricate gears and sophisticated mechanisms demonstrate an understanding of complex mathematics and mechanics that surpasses the general technological understanding of the time. The ancient city of Mohenjo-Daro, part of the Indus Valley Civilization, revealed an advanced sewage and drainage system that predates the Romans by almost a millennium. Its sophisticated urban planning implies a level of civil engineering knowledge that was exceptionally advanced for its time. Furthermore, the Baghdad Battery, a device dating back to around 250 BC, consists of a terracotta jar containing a copper cylinder and an iron rod. When filled with an electrolyte, it produced an electric charge, suggesting knowledge of electricity that was previously attributed to much later eras. While these examples raise tantalizing questions about the extent of ancient technological prowess, they do not necessarily imply an advanced technological society. Instead, they hint at the possibility that certain gifted individuals or groups possessed knowledge far ahead of their time, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. These mysteries of the past continue to inspire curiosity and debate among historians and archaeologists, inviting us to explore the uncharted realms of ancient civilizations and their potentially hidden technological achievements.